Uber Eats drivers can see a $4 order or a $20 order in the same hour, and the difference usually comes down to timing, distance, and tips. That's why there's no fixed hourly pay. By the end of this, you'll know what Uber Eats drivers actually make, what affects those numbers, and how to figure out your real earnings. Here's the direct answer. Uber Eats pays per delivery, not per hour. Your pay is built from base fare, trip distance, estimated time, promotions, and customer tips. Tips matter a lot because drivers keep 100% of them. That's the biggest income booster. A normal shift can look very different depending on where you work. A short 2-mile order with a tip can pay better than a long 8-mile order without one. That's why real numbers are different for every driver. The first thing affecting pay is time. Lunch and dinner are the strongest. That's usually when restaurants are busy and customers tip more. Late nights can also work in some cities. Mid-afternoon is usually slower. If you drive from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., you're hitting the best windows. That increases order volume. The second thing is order selection. A lot of new drivers accept everything. That lowers earnings. If an order pays $3 and takes 25 minutes, that's weak. If it pays $10 and takes 20 minutes, that's stronger. Experienced drivers watch payout, mileage, and restaurant wait times before accepting. That one habit changes income fast. Third is expenses. This is where the real math starts. Gas, oil changes, tire wear, and taxes all reduce your profit. A $150 day might feel great, but if fuel costs $25 and you set aside money for taxes, your actual profit is lower. That's the number that matters. If you're on a bike or scooter, your cost can be much lower. That changes everything. So is it worth it? For side income, yes. For full-time income, it depends on your city and your expenses. Quick summary. Uber Eats pay changes every day because it's based on deliveries, not hours. Peak times usually mean better money. Smart order selection and expense tracking matter more than raw payouts. Your next step is simple. Track your next 10 deliveries and write down payout, miles, fuel cost, and time. That gives you your real hourly rate. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more gig app breakdowns.